Hey, welcome back to the channel and happy new year. Speaking of a new year, I'll be introducing in this video a new member of the ThrillMouseMoto family, and that's my Moto surfboard by jetsurf. It is the adventure model, the 2021. I got it in September. I've kind of been chilling on it. Finally got it registered like a couple weeks ago, and this footage, I don't know when I'm uploading this, but it's gonna be like a couple days ago that this happened. So it's just kind of like a preview of some of the content, extra content you'll be seeing on top of my Ryker stuff. So I hope you enjoy. ThrillMouseMoto. So as you'll hear from me in this first part, it's kind of chilly.
Oh my god, it's so cold.
I'm gonna stay above.
The day actually felt pretty good. It's just the water that was chilly. And I got my niece there helping me record. She just filmed from shore. So this is the best footage, but I really wasn't planning on filming, but I wanted to give you guys something and kind of introduce in some type of a way. But I'll have my helmet cam set up the next time. My board, it's maiden voyage. Check it out, man. So this is me, actually, I've never been on one before. This is the first time ever. I just kind of looked at some stuff online on how to get it going, did it. I did it all like this day as far as prepping the board and learning about it. But starting off from the shore seemed like the best, or like a beach type, you know, at my, a little bit above my waist is that where I started off in the water, because I want to make sure I was in a good clear part. And then rode off with it, you know, on my chest, and then brought it up to my knees probably a little bit before this point here, before getting on top of it. Stuff I probably need to work on, and I'll definitely have down the second time, is really pulling on that on the front throttle cable, which I'll show you when I kind of do like an overview in a second of the board. Once I pop up with my other leg, so I'll put my back foot in the binding and then my front foot up forward when I pop it up, really pulling back, because there was a time where I would just go down, and this is when I come back around and I actually go down here once I try to start up again, and I'm on my knees at this point, and right when I pop up, and it was just mad windy, dude. Like, I mean, the waves were crazy, and not probably, you know, for someone who knows how to do it, but as far as learning goes, oh man, it was there it goes right there. And this is me complaining to my niece about the condition of the water, which it got crazy, you know. And by the time I was done, you know, messing around, which was just then, because I was like, you can't do this, the water started calming down like a lot more. So I wish I kind of hung tight. But definitely, to me, successful run the first time. Not trying to get too wore out or anything, but this is the board. If you're not familiar with it, they're way cool. I got introduced to it in that one video I had where I took that trip to Florida and I saw that tournament. I was just showing the bindings there. So it has dual, so if you're regular, you know, you can pop your feet in that way, or if you're goofy like me, then you can pop them in without having to adjust the bindings or replace them in a different position. And I was also this day old when I realized you can wear it like a backpack, and I had to carry it down there the other way. So this was actually way cooler. It doesn't make it any lighter though. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to ThrillMouseMoto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, ThrillMouseMoto.